If Lucidchart is showing a workspace error, freezing, loading forever, or giving you an authorization issue, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest way to fix it by isolating whether the problem is your browser, your account access, or the document itself. We'll start with the simplest fixes first because in most cases that is all you need to get Lucidchart working again. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step guides. It really helps the channel out and it tells me to make more videos like this. Alright, let's get into the first step. The first thing you want to do is isolate whether the issue is coming from your browser. A lot of Lucidchart Workspace errors happen because of cached data, conflicting extensions, or a bad browser session. The easiest test is to open an Incognito or private window. If you're using Chrome, click the three dots in the top right and open a new Incognito window. If you're on another browser, use its private browsing mode instead. Then sign in to Lucidchart and open your workspace again. If Lucidchart loads properly in Incognito mode, that is a strong sign the issue is not your account or the document itself. Instead, the problem is probably your browser cache or one of your extensions. At that point, you can move on to the next fixes. Next, disable any extensions that might interfere with Lucidchart. Ad blockers, VPN extensions, script blockers, and privacy tools are the most common culprits. Temporarily turn them off, refresh the page, and try loading your workspace again. If Lucidchart starts working after disabling extensions, turn them back on one at a time until you find the one causing the problem. If the issue is still there, the next step is to clear your cache and cookies. This is one of the most effective fixes for workspace errors, sign-in problems, and those annoying OOPS or 401 style authorization errors. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, and then choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cookies and other site data along with cached images and files. Then clear the data and completely restart your browser before trying Lucidchart again. Another important browser step is to make sure you are using the latest version of Chrome. Lucidchart is optimized for Google Chrome, and outdated browsers can cause loading issues, rendering glitches, and workspace errors. If possible, use Chrome for testing and update it if needed. After that, reload Lucidchart and see if the problem is gone. Now let's move on to the second possible cause, which is your account session or login method. Sometimes Lucidchart shows a workspace error because your session timed out, you signed in with the wrong account, or the app is expecting a different login method. First, log out of all accounts you may have open. This is especially important if you have multiple Google accounts, multiple work accounts, or both personal and business logins on the same browser. Then sign back in using the exact email address that was originally invited to the workspace or shared on the document. If you are using the wrong account, Lucidchart may block access or show a membership error. Also, if you originally created your Lucidchart account using Google, Microsoft 365, or Apple, make sure you sign in using that same button again. Do not switch to manual email and password unless that is the method you use from the beginning. Using the original sign-in method often fixes permission and workspace access problems immediately. If you are still getting the error and only one specific diagram is broken, then the issue may be with the document itself. A single file may be too large, corrupted, or contain a rendering problem that affects loading and exporting. To test this, create a brand new blank document in Lucidchart. Then copy the elements from the broken diagram and paste them into the new file. If the new document opens normally, the original one may be the source of the issue, and moving your content over is the safest fix. There is one more advanced setting that can help with display and rendering problems. In your browser, search for hardware acceleration or graphics acceleration and make sure it is enabled. Hardware acceleration helps Lucidchart handle more complex visuals and smoother rendering. If you are still seeing glitches inside the workspace, go into Lucidchart's view settings and temporarily toggle WebGL off. This can help if the workspace is freezing, displaying artifacts, or failing to render properly. So to recap, the fastest path is this. Test Lucidchart in Incognito, disable extensions, clear cache and cookies, use the latest version of Chrome, re-authenticate with the correct account, and if needed, move your diagram into a fresh document. If rendering is still acting up, check hardware acceleration and WebGL settings. If one of these steps fixed your Lucidchart Workspace error, let me know in the comments which one worked for you. And if you want more fast software troubleshooting videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.